5 proven steps on how to deliver a vote of thanks like a pro. Have you been at an event and you or your friend has been asked to give a vote of thanks and you clearly don't know where to start from and what to say? In this video, I'm going to give you 5 items in 5 steps that you can follow to deliver a 5 minutes vote of thanks that everyone will applaud. Now, the first and the second item will take 1 minute. The third item takes 3 minutes. And the last 2 items take also 1 minute. 1, 3, 1. Let's get into it. The first item is greetings. This is when you greet good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or you offer Christian or Muslim greetings. Step number 2, offer gratitude. This is where you thank 4 categories of people. Number 1, whoever has invited you to speak to people, but this could also be someone who invited you to the event. Number 2, thank the organizers of the event or of the session. The third category, thank your fellow participants for being present and patient. The fourth category you're going to thank are the facilitators, maybe the moderators, maybe the panelists, maybe the speakers of the day of a particular session for which you're giving a vote of thanks. Now, the reason is why we thank them last, so that they can lead us to the next step, which is highlights. After thanking these people for speaking, you now give out your take homes. Thank you for the wonderful presentations. Today I have learned that it is best to plan for the preceding day and evening before. I have also learned that we need to save to invest, or you can invest without even saving. And lastly, I've also learned ta-ta-ta-ta-ta and ta-ta. You must have an outline of what you want to share as your highlight and dress it with some little details. That's why we gave it 3 minutes. Thereafter delivering your highlights, go to step number 4. At this point, you express an appeal. What should people do from what they have learned? To my colleagues, I pray that after today, we shall never wake up in the morning and we don't know what to do. You should have planned in the evening before. After you deliver an appeal, which is also like a call to action, you now end with wishes and blessings. Now, this is when you bless people. Have a good night. May God bless you. Have a safe journey. But at the same time, you have a wishful thinking and invitation if there's a proceeding program or if it's a continuous event. How we shall pray that we shall all make it to the next event or to the next session. Thank you. Now I want to give you a bonus tip on how to also prepare for other impromptu presentations. You are at someone's party and then they say, "Doctor, you here?" You cannot live without saying something and you don't know where to start from. But before I get into it, I want to give you an offer. If you want my PowerPoint presentation about the 4 steps of delivering a vote of thanks and the bonus tip I'm going to give you, just comment with the words #public speaking presentation. However, if you want to join us for physical classes, if you are around Kampala, just put the words #public speaking classes. Now let's go to our bonus tip. In my classes, I usually train people on how to be prepared for impromptu speaking. And the biggest and the most effective shortcut to being prepared to speak anytime is to have templates. So, create something we call a template speech. This is when you create a skeleton of a speech that you would use anytime if you were called upon and you aren't ready. You have a celebration speech and you have a sad pep talk speech. In this case, you outline what you always say in the introduction, some details in the body, and how you conclude. Maybe you put a quote or a proverb or a philosophy. And on this side of the pep talk, also draw a template, look for encouraging verses or quotes or pointers and include them. Now, when you have that template, if they just wake you up and say, "Apuli, come and speak, you can't leave here before saying something," all you have to do is replace names. Where you said William, this time round you put Apuli. Where you said Chiriandongo, this time you say Gomba. Where you said we met at a party, this time because this person you met them at the university, you replace university. But the wording are the same. You already have an idea of what you say and how you flow. I hope you create your template speech And if you have anything else you'd want me to talk about, put it in the comments as well.